Here's a new seal door for my Tundra. So I don't have the white one to match my truck, so I went for the chrome one. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to remove this gas cap here. I got the lockable gas cap, but sometimes could be a pain to take it out. So I want to see if the replacing the door would be easier. So that's out. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stuff a rag in there. So make sure nothing fall inside. Okay, so there are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Using manual screwdriver here. Don't want to be using any power tools so close to the gas tank. Just to be safe. Just take your time. Okay, so let's see. Make sure I don't scratch anything. Okay, so this piece here, this part is what's stuck. So you gotta kind of swing it out. Kind of swing it out a little bit and then pull it out. So there it is. So now that's all we got. Okay, got this whole thing out onto the on the workbench here. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. Okay, so I had to use the plier to pull this guy out. Okay. That was a pain. So here we go. 2 pieces. Okay, let's put this thing back on the truck. Get a better view here. All right, put the original gas cap back on. Okay. See these two little bumps here? We have to trim those out. I should have trimmed those out before I put it back on, but that's all right. It's actually easy to trim off. Soft rubber. Take it easy. Don't want to scratch up the paint or cut myself. Get this bracket. So we're gonna screw these two screws into the original plastic, whatchamacallit, grommet. Okay. Here's how it's gonna go. Spacer gotta go there. Two of them. So I got two spacers right there. Two shorter screws. Don't tighten them up yet. Just make sure they line up properly. Loosen up a little bit. So one more thing I want to do, I want to tie this piece here. So when I do a fill up, I just leave the gas cap hanging there, because otherwise I have to find a spot to put it. Too bad they didn't make a little what do you call it, a holder or something for it. See how this works. I may have to come up with something better, but for now, okay, so earlier it was kind of like that. So what I did was I take one of these and push onto that latch. Just push onto that piece right there, bend it in a little bit, and then now when you close it and lock it, stay tight.